Namaste friends, welcome back to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful and a very lacy stitch, and you have these inverted triangular eyes in the pattern, and it is named as Colonnade, and this consists of 9 DC shells or plus 9 DC shells, and then you use the spiked stitch for giving a beautiful effect for it, and this is good for any lacy work that you want. Of course it uses little bit more of yarn, but when the finished product is going to look great with this pattern. So to make this pattern we need multiples of 7 plus 2 as the foundation chains. Let me make the required number of chains and get back to you. I have made the sample piece with Barbie pink of Aran yarn, which is a medium weight 4 and 100% acrylic anti-pill. I am using baby cake yarn, which is again Aran 100% acrylic anti-pill yarn for showing this pattern to you. I have made the required number of chains with 5.5 mm clover crochet hook. I am going to work the pattern with 4.5 mm clover hook. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1, skip 1 and make a single crochet in the next, chain 4, skip 2 and make a single crochet in the next, chain 3, skip 3 and single crochet in the next, chain 4, skip 2 single crochet in the next. So this is the first row, which is a foundation for the stitches to grow. Chain 3, skip 3 chains, single crochet in the next, chain 4, skip 2 single crochet in the next. You will be left with 2 chains, chain 1 and single crochet in the last stitch here, last chain here. For row 2, chain 1 and turn, place a single crochet in the very first single crochet here, and place 9 double crochets under chain 4 space. Please count every time you complete, because even if you miss one double crochet or one stitch, the pattern will not look good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So check the number of double crochets: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. And now the fun begins. You're going to do spike stitch. So in the middle chain of the skipped stitches, you're going to insert your hook and enclose the chain 3 and pull up a loop and complete your single crochet. This is the single crochet spike done now. And now again place 9 double crochets under chain 4 space, a spike, SC spike here over the 3 chain, picking up the stitch from the previous row, not immediate previous row, one row below that. Again 9 DCs, complete the and come to the end. I shall complete and get back. We'll come to the end of row 2 here. So place your last single crochet in the last stitch. For row 3, chain 6 and turn. Chain 6 will count as double treble and 2 chain space. And in the third DC, 1, 2, 3 DC, third DC, place a single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 DCs, 1, 2, 3, and in the next you place a single crochet. Now chain 4, so you will skip the next 4 DCs, 1, 2, 3, 4. Naturally you will skip the spike stitch, and in the next you place a single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 DCs and place a single crochet in the next, chain 4, skip 4 DCs, 1, 2, 3, 4 DCs, SC in the next, chain 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next, chain 2, and a double treble in the first stitch here. That is the last stitch here now. So this completes our row 3. I'll get back to you with row 4. For row 4, either chain 3 and turn, or turn, make a double crochet, twisted double crochet in the very first stitch, which is the double treble that we did in the last row, and place 4 double crochets under this chain space. 1 minute. So we are going to work the 9 DC shells and the spike stitch in this row. So this is made 5 DCs here, including the first one. Now we have come to the chain 3 space. So pick up the, insert the hook in the DC third, that is middle DC of these 3 skipped DCs. Pull up the yarn, encompass the, enclose the 3 chains and make the spike stitch. Now in the next chain 4 you are going to make 9 double crochets. So 9 double crochets, spike stitch, 9 double crochets, spike stitch. I shall meet you at the end of this row here. We have come to the end of this row here. Now make 4 double crochets under the chain 1 space. And we did 6 chains and turn. So 1, 2, 3. In the 4th chain, you place your last double crochet. So this is how it will look after this row. For row 5, chain 1 and turn. Place a single crochet here. Chain 1. Skip 1 and place a single crochet in the next. Chain 4. Skip next 4 DCs, 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do that, naturally the spike stitch gets skipped. Chain 3. Skip 3, single crochet in the next. Chain 4. Skip 4 DC, single crochet. So this is a repeat like we did in the 3rd row. So 5th row you complete placing these chains and single crochets. I shall get back to you. So we've come to the end of row 5 here. Chain 1, skip 1 and place your last single crochet in the last stitch here. Row 6, chain 1 and turn, place a single crochet here. Now under the chain 4 space you're going to make 9 DC shell. 3, 6, 9, then the spike stitch. So it's similar to the previous row of the shells where we placed shells in 4 chain space and spike under the 3 chain, working in one row below, from one row below, picking up stitch from one row below. Okay, so continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. Place a single crochet in the last stitch. I'll place my shell here. So this completes our one pattern repeat. So this is how it will look when you complete one stitch pattern here. The stitch pattern repeats are repeats from rows 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So when you work with multicolor yarn, it gives a very nice finish, and you can change the colors in between the pattern or after one complete repeat of pattern. Every repeat can have a different color scheme. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the stitch pattern. I'd like to see your work with the stitch pattern. Please do post in the comments. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you get notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. Thank you now once again. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.